Gary Sandlund coming from the CME Exchange to talk a little bit about what's taking place over in the agricultural space as of late. And anyone that's been paying attention to it over the last few days has seen the demise of the rally that took place from middle of November all the way through the middle of December. And in 4 days, we've taken pretty much all those markets out, or all those rallies out, and then some. Corn is trading back at levels that we haven't seen since middle of July. Beans, like I said, have erased the last 4 weeks rally in 4 days. We're back to levels that we haven't seen in quite some time. And why is that taking place? It's because South America's harvest is only weeks away. The consumer realizes that, and they don't need to buy any more U.S. beans. We've seen China cancel nearly 1 million ton of U.S. bean purchases just this week alone. I would expect to see that pattern continue in the weeks to come as the availability of Brazil and Argentina become more relevant and more online. And that should be done by the end of January, early February at the latest. The weather in the United States is something that is being watched now for the new crop as well. We're seeing some tremendous storms move across. Subsoil moistures are starting to be replenished after last year's decimating drought that we experienced. So you're starting to see some rebalancing of some moisture levels that we haven't seen in quite some time, which obviously weighs a lot on the new crop side of things, as the acreage numbers that we project are massive. I mean, we have corn acre projections pushing near 100 million acres and beans pushing near 80 million acres for this upcoming season. So it's one of those markets that we're really in a tough spot right now, on a fine line that we're still elevated prices. Corn still near $7, beans $14, wheat $8. But there's tremendous risk potential on either side of this market right now, due to the fact that we have potential of production numbers being absolutely massive over the next 12 to 18 months.